Coincheck Crypto Exchange Review, My Usage Experience. If you're considering using Coincheck as your crypto exchange, this review will give you a clear breakdown of its features, my hands-on experience, and whether it's worth your time. Coincheck is a Japan-based crypto exchange founded in 2012, and it's one of the most popular platforms in Asia. It caters primarily to beginners and intermediate traders, focusing on simplicity and security, two critical factors in the volatile crypto space. One of Coincheck's standout features is its user-friendly interface. Whether you're accessing it via the mobile app or desktop, the layout is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. This makes it ideal for newcomers to crypto who might feel overwhelmed by more complex platforms. I found the registration process straightforward. Verification took less than 24 hours, which is fast compared to other exchanges. Coincheck offers a decent variety of cryptocurrencies, over 20 coins, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and lesser-known tokens like IOST and LISC. While it's not the most extensive selection, it covers the major assets that most users are interested in. However, if you're a serious altcoin hunter, you might find Coincheck's offering a bit limited. A big plus is the platform's strong focus on security. After the infamous 2018 hack, where Coincheck lost over $500 million worth of NEM tokens, the company made significant upgrades. They're now a licensed exchange under Japan's Financial Services Agency, with strict security protocols, cold storage for assets, and mandatory two-factor authentication, 2FA. Since these upgrades, there haven't been any major incidents. The trading fees on Coincheck are competitive. There are no maker fees, only a taker fee of 0.1%. For beginners, this is a big advantage since fees on other platforms can quickly eat into profits. However, be aware that Coincheck charges relatively high withdrawal fees compared to other exchanges, which can be a drawback if you plan to move funds frequently. Another feature worth noting is Coincheck lending service. You can lend your crypto to the platform and earn up to 5% annually, which is higher than what you'd get from most traditional banks. While I didn't use the lending feature extensively, it's a nice bonus for long-term holders. Overall, Coincheck is a solid option if you're looking for a beginner-friendly, secure, and easy-to-use crypto exchange. It's best suited for users who want to trade the major coins with minimal hassle. However, if you're a pro trader looking for advanced features, you might find it a bit basic. For everyday users and crypto newcomers, Coincheck gets the job done, reliably and securely.